Hello friends, welcome to our channel Digital Techno Park. In this video I will show you different kinds of Google tips and tricks. Let's get started and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Do a barrel roll. One of the most popular fun Google trick. The page will rotate twice and then come back to its original position. Do check it out. Type "do a barrel roll" in the search box and click "I am feeling lucky." Number 2. Google Gravity. Google Gravity shatters the search engine into pieces that you can drag and bounce around your screen. Number 3. Google Askew. Search for Google Askew on Google and see how your page tilts a little. It's nice to see the biggest search engine tilting a bit on your desktop. Number 4. Zerg Rush. The O and O of Google appears from the top and right of the Google page and slowly eats up the whole page. Search for Zerg Rush and press "I am feeling lucky." Ends up with traditional GG, means good game. Number 5. Google Underwater. Google dive in the water and start floating, in which you through the water with the help of your cursor. You can search here for more fishes. Number 6. Google Mirror. Google Mirror is one of the lovely and popular Google trick. When you use Google Mirror, what you see is exactly the reverse mirror image. Type Google Mirror and press "I am feeling lucky." Number 7. Google Zipper. Google Zipper becomes a giant zipper which allows you to unzip the logo. Type Google Zipper and press I am feeling lucky. You can unzip the logo by dragging from here. Number 8. Flip a coin. Don't have a coin to flip? Ask Google to do it for you. You can also change the color. Number 9. Atari Breakout. Search Atari Breakout in a Google search and you can play the game. Let me know your maximum score in the comments box below. Number 10. Google Sphere. On the Google homepage, type Google Sphere and press I am feeling lucky. In a couple of seconds, the components of the page will take the shape of the moving sphere. Number 11. Google. Have you ever imagined Google becomes a spring? Meet the elastic Google with more ooze. Number 12. Goglogo. You can customize the Google logo with your name. Step 1. Enter your name below. Step 2. Select styles below. Google logo has changed with your name. Number 13. Google Pacman. This is an amazing fun game. We hope you will like this game and Share your maximum score in the comment box below. Number 14. Google Sky. Another cool trick on Google that enables users to fly with space using Google Sky. Number 15. Google Mars. You will get the 3D map of the Mars surface. Number 16. Google Cricket. Search for Google Cricket and press I am feeling lucky. Six. It's 4. Another 4. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. You may also share this video with your friends and thumbs up to the like button. Thank you very much.